Hey everybody, this is Samantha with RevitalyzeMD. I'm the Operations Director here at RevitalyzeMD, and I have been hearing a lot of common questions about Radiesse butt filler, so today I'm going to be answering our most frequently asked questions regarding butt filler. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys to please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep producing these videos and boost the algorithm so you guys get to see these awesome videos. So one of our most popular questions is, what is Radiesse butt filler? So Radiesse is a calcium-based filler that we use to help augment the butt. So what that does is it gives you a Brazilian butt lift effect without the invasive surgery. So we're using it to help plump, firm, smooth out that cellulite that is inevitable as we age. So it's a super popular treatment right now that helps plump and get you the booty you deserve. What is the difference between Radiesse and Sculptra butt filler? So that's a great question. I totally understand why people ask that. But again, similar to like Toyota versus Nissan, they're just different brands that are essentially doing the same exact thing. So Sculptra is a polylactic acid filler. So what it's doing is the same thing. It's building collagen, boosting elastin. Similar to Radiesse versus Radiesse is a calcium-based filler. So it's also boosting neocollagenesis, which helps with that firmness, cellulite, stretch marks, everything in those areas. So again, a great question. They're very similar in the way they work. It's just a different type of brand. Who is a good candidate for butt filler? So generally speaking, anybody who desires a bigger butt, a fuller butt, or more firm butt is a good filler candidate. So anybody who also wants to avoid going under the knife and having lots of downtime and lots of pain associated with a BBL is also a great candidate for this procedure. Next, one of the other most common questions is, how long do the results last? So generally speaking, each result is dependent on a person-to-person basis, but our Radiesse butt filler are usually lasting anywhere from 12 to 18 months depending on the person. So it does give you a long-lasting effect. Again, is way more comfortable and lots of less downtime than a typical BBL under surgery. Question number 4 is, what is involved with this procedure? So the Radiesse butt filler is performed in office and you will be awake during. So we're fully numbing you using local anesthesia, so at the site of the procedure. So after that, we're going to use a cannula to inject the filler. So we're fanning it all across the desired treatment areas. From there, we're going to be tunneling this through the skin and breaking up collagen and building elastin as we go through. So it's a very quick and easy procedure. It takes around 60 minutes. Again, you will be fully numbed, so it's very comfortable. There's no pain associated with the procedure. The next most popular question is, how long does it take to return to normal activities? So after the procedure in our office, we expect that patients will have some mild discomfort for about 1 to 2 weeks. Of course, any time that we're using a needle to do entry points, there is a potential for some bruising, so there may be some mild bruising at the site. Otherwise, usually we have our patients withhold from physical activity for 24 to 48 hours just to make sure they're not interrupting that filler process. But otherwise, you can return to normal activity immediately after. There's no bed rest involved. You can go back to anything, but we do just avoid lower leg exercises for around 48 hours afterwards. What do I need to look for when I'm looking for a provider for butt filler? So this is an awesome question as well. There's tons of different providers and med spas out there, so you definitely want to be careful with who you're picking to do your butt filler. So one of my biggest suggestions is looking at the provider that's doing the procedure. You want to make sure that they've been doing filler treatments for a long time. You want to make sure that they're licensed, they're certified, that they're very experienced with these procedures. You also want to take a look into how clean their office is, making sure that they're treating the procedure as a sterile treatment. So making sure they're using the right tools and everything is clean and proper. You also want to make sure that their office that will follow up with you post-treatment, because again, there can be some mild discomfort and bruising afterwards. So you want to make sure that they'll check in with you afterwards and make sure everything's going okay. So that is something to keep in mind as you're looking for a butt filler provider. So those were just some of the most popular questions we get asked regarding Radiesse butt filler. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you answer some of those questions that may have been on your mind. If I didn't answer those questions, leave them in the comments and we can address those as well. But I want to give a big thank you for watching the video, and remember to like and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you guys.